here with another video. So what's happening here is I'm just gonna break down the whole assignment behind the scenes of the code. So what you wanna do, you wanna make sure firstly your assignment is in a www folder. Okay, this is my folder. So I've created these files for you guys. This first file will create database, right? As I call it, create database. When I run this, it should create database. So it creates this database. Okay. So when I run this, let's create this database. We're gonna go behind the scenes of this file. We're gonna go through the code. Okay. So this is a form. So it's an HTML file. So it's basically a form. Okay. I'm just gonna open that now. As you can see, it's just this. This is it. Name, surname, number. Okay, we're gonna go through that. And then this is a local server which you need, and then this is a local server again. This file runs this file. So when you click this one is gonna run this one. That's what it does. So and then this one you're gonna you wanna read the database. So this would read database. So this is mine. This is the part of the assignment which reads from the database. Then the part of the assignment which saves the form. Okay, so I've covered everything. So now let's go beyond the code. So what you wanna do, you wanna take your assignment, this, and put it in the www, and put it in your C drive, just like I did here. As you can see, it's here already. I've put it here. Okay. Now let's go through the behind the scenes of the code. So what we're gonna start with the form. So a form is just simple. I've created a simple form. So here's an important part. You need to make sure this action is there. So what are you saying here? We're saying when I click submit, I want to call this file, which is just the file you see here. So I'm calling this file. That's what I want to do, and then the rest is just simple. Now here's the other things that is important. This name is equal to name. Name is equal to surname. It's very important because we're gonna use it. So just pay attention to that. Make sure you put that there. Okay, cool. So let's close this. We're done with this. Now, when you look at this, we're going to go. Now we started with this, right? And then we're going to go through this. So let's open our Python. Let's open Wing. So as we've opened Wing, now what you want to start with creating the database. So it's just a simple thing. Create database, just create a database with one table. So what I want to do, import this, the stuff, and what you should do now is create this. This is what I need: the name, the surname, the student number. This correlate with the form, right? So that I can save stuff here. So this is just creating that. When I run this, it's going to create a database. Okay. And then here is the save form code. So this is just a code. So what I want to do when I click save form, when I click submit, it's going to call this file. What does this file do? That's the question. So this file is like import CGI and then import SQLite, which we need. We need CGI and we need SQLite. Okay. Now we say define a main function, then we call it down here. What we do is just like details. We want to get details in the form. Right, so these are the details. So we say CGI.field storage. Basically, it will take all the details on the form, right? And then when it takes those details, and then we want to access each and every detail that is there. Okay, so the first detail is the name, the second detail is the surname, the second detail is the student number. But these names are just these same names that are here. So I need this. This is very important for me so that I can be able to do what I want to do. So these are just these names. So what I want to say, I say details, just exactly this guy. Details, I want to say detail.getValue. As you can see, details, get value. I want to get the name, I want to get the surname, I want to get the student number. And then once I got that, and then I want to connect to the database. And then I want to insert all these names, surname, student number to the database. As you can see, insert value to the database. Then I want to close the database. And then I want to print the content. So I want to I want to generate an HTML page here. So what I do is just HTML head whatever, and then this it's going to come up with a title called form saved. So basically then the body, then I'm creating a table, then in a table row I want to put this table data as my name, and then I put the name. Basically this name is just exactly this guy here. I'm taking the name here. Now look at this, I'm saying three quotations here, and I'm closing them here, okay? And then I say convert the name to a string, and then I open 3 quotation, I close them here, right? So basically what I'm doing, I'm just creating a table with 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 rows. As you can see, this one will contain name and the actual name of the user. Same here, same here. So here I'm closing the quotation, I'm opening them, closing them, opening them, and closing them. This is very important. So basically this will just generate the page when you click submit. So in other words, when you click submit, this is the file that is going to execute. This file will also generate this HTML page. So, okay, now I want to read from database. How do I read from database and insert stuff on the HTML page? Okay, so what I want to do, I just want to read exactly what I just saved in the database and display it on the HTML. So I need to read from database, but for me to be able to read from database, I need to have some code in this form. I'm just making it. I don't want to make a new HTML file just to read the database. I could, if I want to, I could, but it will take some time. Okay, let's just do that. I created this file now. Basically, this file will help us to read the database. So when I click the link, it's going to come here. So I'm going to call this file. What does the file do? So this file is basically doing some simple stuff, and then it's connecting to the database, and then it's want to select details. So select everything from details. So this is it's basically our database. If you look at our database, you can see this our database. There is detail form with the name, surname, and student number. Okay. So I'm going to select everything. And then I'm going to say records equal to cursor, fetch all. So what I'm doing is this cursor, I want to fetch everything that is there. But since we already stored things to the cursor, so I want to fetch everything. And then this is going to return a list. So list, what you basically do, what I did here is to check the length of the list to see if there are records. If there are no records, then I want to print this. There is currently nothing on my database. So if there are records, I will know by the length will not be 0. So that's why I'm saying if the number of records is not 0, then I want to run this code. So what is this code doing? So this is very important for you to be able to get away with this, because you want to read from a database. So you want to create an empty string. So that empty string is what you need. You need that. So what you want to see, will say for record in records. What you're doing, records is just basically this. So you want to iterate over these records. So you say for record, you're taking each record. So taking each record, and then you say database data, which is basically this empty string. You want to concatenate the name, which is a string. You want to make it bold because it's going to be ran on HTML. And then you want to say convert to a string, and then the record. Basically, you're taking the name, and then converting to a string, and then breaking it. This code is an HTML code, so that will break to the next line. So you say database data, again surname, and then we break. And then you want to break twice here because you want your data to be readable. When you finish here, you want to break twice. So if it breaks twice, we'll separate the first user from the second user, and also from the third user, and so on. So you want to commit close database, and then you want to return the string. So this function here basically will return a string. So it will return a string with some data inside it. So you'll see that as we continue. Okay, and then what you want to see, you want to print content, and then print this is very necessary. This is necessary. So generate HTML page here. So this is just an HTML page. So this is database data. And basically this is body. The body, I want to say, I want to open 3 quotations, I want to close them here. I'm closing them here. and then I wanna say string read database. I'm calling this function which read the database, and then I open the strings, the three quotation. These three quotations allow me to write code like this. You see this code, I say print this, right? If I don't want to use these quotations, I can say print every time. I don't need to do that, so I need to use just these three quotations. Okay, so read that. So basically that's what is behind the scenes. So when we want to run all these files now together to perform some amazing work, what we need to do, we need to first make sure that our www folder, right? Our www folder is just, I'm just trying to close some things here. Our www folder, this folder is on our C drive. So take this folder. I'm not gonna take mine is already there. And then you go to your C drive and then you paste it here, and then it's here. So this is www folder, it's just here. So what you wanna do, you don't wanna run this form directly. Before you go to your browser, make sure your local server is started, and make sure that this is 3.7, not 3.5. And let's run that. So our local server has to be running. So our local host, okay, we minimize that, we don't close that because we need it. Okay, so right now what I wanna run this form, basically that's what I wanna run. So I wanna say local host, just this, and then I wanna remove this form because there's no home page there. I wanna put form. So that runs my form, so I can fill details like my name, surname, and my student number. So if you look at the database, you will see that when I press submit here, it should basically give us this. So that's what it does. So it just gives us this. Okay, so let me go back. Let me fill it with someone else. So yes, and the student number. So I'm gonna submit that. Then as you can see, so right now I wanna read these two. So I wanna read that. So I wanna use the read file. So what I can do, I'm just open a new. So what I can do, I can also say localhost. So I can do this. I say localhost, and then this is what's gonna appear on it. So what I can do, I can say localhost 800 home, and then I don't wanna run home, but I wanna run the read HTML. So this is read. So the read HTML will give me just a simple web page with a link. So if I click this link, it's going to just read this database. So as you can see right here, so read database, can see this title, and then here I'm just reading the database. That's what it does. Okay, so that's all about this. So please guys, subscribe to get more content like this. Yeah, we can afford to have 59, 60 views, 70 views with only just 5 subscribers or 6 subscribers. Please guys, subscribe people. Okay, if you wanna encourage me to help you guys, you subscribe. But if you don't, then I don't know. So please subscribe people.